Hey guys, welcome to a dirty table and a messy cable. Yeah, I'm just joking. Today we're gonna take a quick look, which will be probably a short video, at ONN or otherwise Walmart's take on a kind of backup drive, I would call it SSD. It's the ONN with that number there, 250 gigabytes memory storage. It I have no idea where I put the box, so don't fault me on that one. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is always appreciated. So, in this scenario, what I would use this for, or why I primarily bought it, is so I could connect it to my phone or one of my phones. And when you do this, go to the phone and it just plugs in right away. And yes, the phone recognized it. We pull down, USB storage added, and it has nothing on it for now, but it's recognized by the phone. You can transfer data in and transfer data out. This USB works great if you need a quick backup in your pocket. Let's say you're filming with your phone, you're taking a lot of pictures, you're running out of memory. Well. ONN got you covered. It's amongst around 30 something dollars right now, I think, if it's not less. And it works pretty good on the phone. But the real data test is going to be on my computer right now. And I'm going to try to transfer a video that's just under 10 gigabytes. And let's see how long it takes to transfer that video of 10 gigs on this device. And we will test how long it takes to take that 10 gigabytes video from this device to the computer. Let's get in there. Okay, and we're inside our PC right now. Let's connect the ONN drive and see where it goes from here. Okay, now let's open the drive. ONN 256H. Open a new window. No, okay. So, here's the deal. What's happening here? I have a timer here on the side that we're gonna measure the time it takes for this file, which is 9.76 gigabytes, to be transferred to the ONN 256 gig backup. So, what I have on this PC right now that you see this file is stored on a Samsung Evo 970 500 gigabyte drive, M.2 SSD. And let's start transferring and hit the timer at the same time. Boom. So, it took 5 minutes and 30 seconds to transfer a file from my PC to the ONN drive, which is 9.76 gigabytes. Now, how long will it take to transfer that file from the ONN drive to the PC itself? And as we saw, the average was around 32 megabytes per second. And let's start the reverse of it. Let me change the name of it so I don't overwrite my own file. And we'll do the same again. And here we zap it. So now, in conclusion, to transfer the data back, or the read time, was 4 minutes and 44 seconds. A little bit shorter than the write speeds, or the write time, that was over 5 minutes. Which tells me that this drive, for the money, is not that bad. When you compare it to Samsung's drives, I'm talking about these small portable ones of the same capacity, or other companies. In my opinion, it's worth it. If you need a drive, or if you can catch one at Walmart, sometimes they do those deals. You can catch one with a deal, probably even under $30. Grab it, shove it in your pocket after you pay for it, obviously, and take it home. It's actually very useful and very practical. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised, just like I was with the backup batteries, which were from Walmart, surprisingly enough. And yes, this drive, in my book, takes an okay. Not great. I know it's great, better and better, has no end. But for the price, it gets a real good pass. And with that said, I hope this video taught you something, or you learned something, or you had fun watching it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!